Right. There's the date and time. Apparently, there's another elevator at the Best Western Plus in Portsmouth. Here it is. The Pine State Elevator. Here it is. Hope no one's in it. Oh wow, this one's nice. I can get a focus. Let me go to 6. Here we go. Oh, there's the indicator. That's weird. It beeps and dings. Here we are at 6. Pine State. We're at 6. 1. Oh, listen to that bell. Get a cab view. Very nice elevator. Look at that, it's got a fan. $19.99, 155 feet a minute. Here's your fixtures. 88 flying phone. Here we are at 1. We're gonna go up to 6 one more time, and I want you to listen to the bell. Oh, coming up.
What's that?
Oh, are you going? What floor are you going to?
3.
3? Gotcha. Have a good day, man. Alright, here we go up to 6. As I was saying, I want you to hear this bell. So here we are at 6. Everyone's having a hard time focusing. 6. Alright, listen to this. Epic. Watch it go out at 1. Another 1. And this is where we're gonna end it. Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
You're good. Have a good day, guys.